You know what that bump's for there?
What?
That's the coupling, that's inside the coupling. Yeah. Lumo! That's Lumo! Lumo!
It's not stopping.
Not stopping.
It's a red train.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Lumo!
There's Lumo and LNER. LNER, they're closing the doors. I am back, guys.
Yeah. Yep, he's back. Well, I'm not really recording this. I'm just recording this for a video. I heard the signaller. And I see Lumo's over there. I would go down there, but I can't to make the train go. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Down there is
Wait for EWS.
no, that's Romanby Road.
Yeah. Romanby level cross.
The train is on its move. Beep beep. Bye. Bye, Lee. Beep beep. Wait. If the signaller gives us a tone, then that would be really good.
I know,
Give
right?
me a high speed. Oh! Whoa!
Double train!
Watch this. Play. Go back and then. Oh no, nobody's in there. Nobody's in there.
Nobody's literally in there. So that was a Lumo and LNER.
Yeah.
Bye.